Good day and happiness life mga ka-life change. Tiga Eastern Province ka ba dito sa Saudi Arabia? Mostly, tiga Kubar, taga Damam, or malapit dito. So ito na yung pagkakataon nyo. Let's go and stop and talk a while. Magkaroon po tayo ng tinatawag na life change impact. So I'm inviting you, PM, DM lang kayo sa baba. Tapos let's talk about it at coffee shop. So, let's go and collaborate from Life Change OFW Journey. If nakarating ka dito sa channel na to, don't forget to follow, like, share, emoji. Okay, napaka-importante ng comment ninyo. At saka follow na rin po kayo sa ating Life Change OFW YouTube channel. Okay po. So maraming salamat sa pagsuporta. Advance Merry Christmas to all of you. And I believe God will give you the blessings and God will provide everything for you, okay? Kung nahirapan ka sa taong 2024, open the gate, prayer lang yan, at magkakaroon ka ng tinatawag na next level of life with Christ Jesus, okay? God bless and thank you.